Okay, we're adding to Machiavelli's library. This is a very, very nice, solid black German Shepherd male, extremely well bred. It's a Kobe Fury puppy. Got great nerves. Not a fearful nerve in this dog's body. All of his protection comes from just solid, natural protective instincts. He's just a cool dog, a happy dog, friendly dog, sociable dog. And I'm saying all that because when you watch his protection videos, he looks scary as hell. And he's not a dog that's going to hurt somebody for no reason. If this dog bites somebody, he deserves to be bit. So it's just, once again, got great nerves. All the videos you've seen of him, the early development, the early training, it's just paid off. And a dog that's just confident, happy, willing to please, naturally protective. Just tremendous confidence, tremendous nerve. And just nothing, this dog. The control work is phenomenal. The power is phenomenal. He's not going to bite for no reason. Okay, but when he does bite, he knows how.
Good job. Good job. Good job, Mac. You got him out. Out.
Happy Mac. Just a very happy dog. Friendly dog, sociable dog, safe dog, powerful.
Pick him up.
Put him on bed.
Come on. Bring your sleep to the bed. Mac, go to bed. Down.
Takes after his daddy with those calm, powerful grips. Absolutely destroying that sleeve.
Down.
That was a man's arm, he would have broke it. But once again, safe, friendly, happy. Even the helper can come over here and pet him. Once again, this dog's not nervy, not nervous,
Sorry for
not
being a bad guy.
afraid. And that's what you need, so that he can make good decisions about who's a bad guy and who's not a bad guy. So that's just some additional video of Machiavelli. He's 2 years old now. Fun dog.